of the questions I think is also pretty relevant and something I'm very curious about, which is how often do you refresh embedding models? I feel like, at Stitch Fix, retraining and keeping these things stable was like a whole part of research. How does
Yeah.
Supernode think about that?
So if you train an encoder, you take all these inputs, you feature engineer all these different types of data, you make a custom encoder like a two-tower model or some other kind of training policy, then kind of distribution drift on any of those properties forces you to retrain the whole thing, right? This is a problem. And it can happen, as often as distributions on any of those things like meaningfully change. And that's kind of one of the benefits of not doing that and instead doing this kind of composition of encoders, because if you do have to retrain something, it's going to be one of those boxes in the middle, not the whole thing, right? You can selectively update parts of your model this way, and like save yourself a bunch of trouble. So in terms of data updates, this is kind of breaks it down into more manageable components. In terms of retraining, it also means that you can think about retraining individually for the component.